the constitution wanted to have a certain general representation when it comes to governance.
Right.
Because learning from history, we said the Tutsis and Hutus, Rwanda and Tokano. A koyas a famine kwan, a ko baby adodo dewo. A famine kwan, a deal mine. So yes, sir. A fan of watching who say, ada ye de yen ka o man ho ana eno esa e de ye neba etimi de abufuo ba e ma sabio tribe bi hu no sa so ye significant chin obi the constitution the first of the constitution article 35(6)b no omo kan bibi o akokwa yen kan o say we must achieve okay ma men kan from 6 no or say towards the achievement of the objectives stated in clause 5 of this article the state shall take appropriate measures to a foster a spirit of loyalty to Ghana that overrides sectional, ethnic, and other loyalties. B news will say achieve reasonable regional and gender balance in recruitment and appointment to public offices. Now, can be or say towards the achievement of the objectives stated in clause 5. It's yanko clause 5 on it yanko clause 5 no. Clause 5 no say 5. The state shall actively promote the integration of the peoples of Ghana and prohibit discrimination and prejudice on the grounds of the place of origin, circumstances of birth, ethnic origin, gender or religion, creed or other beliefs. It's constitution is say Emma state no enye yiyimu. Na the state no enye yiyimu they are in 6 no to achieve san yiyimu no kind of 5 no. Say state no make sure say you be achieve reasonable regional and gender balance in recruitment and appointment to public offices. 5 ni say yiyimu 6b ni say sa na yiyimu dia yenye we. Enti say politician sha wo say oh region bia benya minister any political promise a constitutional imperative. 2 Mahama Kaso ba you benya 30% of appointment in females and a female 30% appointment no be ni aka ni nyina aboma uyi 10 e ma be 3 me ma be 7 30% a constitutional imperative. Sure. This is the provision. If you share this constitution say no mo kan ma me fa NDC constitution I don't know why did they add it. Yes, it's constitution no share this there na manifesto no sorry or see all right. We will mandate a minimum 30% quota for all women in political appointments. Right. This week, maybe as a normal kind, you maybe a say, Mahama can send the ministers the 30% there be. This is the manifesto. Say, maintain a minimum 30% quota for women in all political appointments. Etiano, boss, eka state CEOs eka ministers eka deputy ministers eka bien kan bro bien because Eugene me defend Mahama say 30% quota for women in all political appointments. Now kwa ministers na e buy no ana omo approve bi na fanya marking can say Mahama is tribalistic. So this is credit to our sister another station GH1 omo graphic am fine. Sure. Mahama so for so be 60 ministers. Wa appoint 42. 42 now aka 18. You about 23 ministers. Sure. So simply in the channel say minister bi wa onya deputy minister. Clear. Yeah. Now yan ko region no. I am pass ya bo ministers dia wie because aka deputy ministers. Region bi anya dia na. Per the data is not true. We are including regional ministers. Tinechiro say upper west so you regional minister no free no many one minister. Right. I think Upper is a Rashid Pepio. I stand to be corrected. Right. Upper is Bolga. If I'm not mistaken, Dr. Akrutinga Ayeni. Age, you know, I think so. Nuzufria and a regional minister. Northern region, Enya 4. Northern region, Mekaya on top of my head. Enya Haruna Idrisu. Tamale South. And Enya Tamale Central, Mutala Environment. Mebwa. And Enya regional minister, no. Northeast in Sono, yenya regional minister and another minister for climate change, you know, on the Northeast. Okay. Savannah region, yabenya energy minister, no, John Abdullah Jenapo, and yenya regional minister. Bono region, so yenya regional minister, no, and another minister, Bono, Mekaya Mekachero. Right. Bono is the Mekaya Bako, Madam Elizabeth Jare. Tamale North, Minister for Trade, Agribusiness, the Industrial Regional Minister. Oti region, Abenya Regional Minister, and sports. Kofi Adam MP for Buem. And so, I have region so 2. Western North 2. Western North the regional minister and I think the health minister. Jabo so say Western North. Jeff wait to check camera. I think Jabo so be Western North. Western region so yenya sama MP no madam no impress me pa fisheries minister Emilia Arta. Very articulate young lady. Hey, onya young say wache. Hey, very articulate madam wache pa. Ashanti region so yenya bi regional minister Muntaka Mubarak ana brantie we. About question in the be analysis be. If no J. Kenneth Gilbert, no deputy defense minister. Say so no na be minister for West Housing and Water Resources. Ashanti region no.
Western North.
Western North, I was correct. No health minister Kwamina Minta Akando. Ana ye benya Muntaka minister for interior. Am for bring interior na kire ne say NADMO. Ghana Police Service. Ghana Fire Service, Ghana Immigration, apart from military, there no. Ni nyina she papa we say. Enti this way a cabinet minister, fire national say. It's quite national say. It was a big prison service, yes. Ni national, a big position. In fact, I think that small arms commission. Yes,
I think Parliament they were debating on possession.
It's Ashanti region position. Minim cabinet, minim Mahama cabinet, but at least Ashanti region have one cabinet position.
Yeah.
At least we mean to me confirm me. I don't know. It's me will be correct me. Western housing, you know.
Okay.
But it's not the say cabinet position.
Yeah, I think he was.
Who's that? What we no? Who's we no? Me the be analysis be say here. Me hate me the social problem. No, a deputy defense minister under Mahama one. It's the region be voter regional. Voter region me kai voter region on top of my I could the tabla Jifa Black Gomashi regional minister no ana roads minister Papa Gavins Kwame Aguja and so be Eastern region so yenya 3 Miami Krum me region no Greater Accra 3 Central 3 Western 3 the fact is that it was not true Mahama has been tribalistic or has been not tribalistic. I shouldn't use that word because the constitution pretty regional and tribal, so has not been regionally biased. Because Osha constitution imperative now they be tribal or say regional and gender. That is the phrase of the constitution for tribal. So meaning that Mahama region biya enyane de. Enti yenhwe deputy ministers 18 aka no. Region bi benya biya sin bi. And after saying very important because akokwa nim.
Right.
Ghana adeba akwa secondary school usua ne say sa social cohesion no important. It is a region biya nya bi. But akokwa I'm happy for this gentleman. I'm very, very happy for Muntaka Mubarak. As minority leader, minority chief weapon. Some of us were not happy about it because I me Ashanti region for 10 years. Open MP back when did you ma swama region wema Muntaka. No ko kan se muzo fi kumungu. And I know Ebuza is in the hometown. Also, there be the massa. Obi a what Kumasi for 53 years. Ya won one year no. What mean kaso free Kumungu. John do a pure American. The allegiance is to Kumasi. I'm happy for him. Say what be interior minister. Then no answer Ebuza say IGP be kwa na kwa man for say empower IGP. Also on your appointed authority. Mahama na beche IGP beko na fire service boss beko into the C1 a very very intelligent man. I wish him success
with a lot of experience. All experience.
Yes, last week we video be born the non police bodyguard they betu on off the premises so what tiano who say be kan o kan na bi do atem na den na wo kan na the minister na ko gina no say den na kwa na nya papa to mane pacho that tells you say o ye leader and na dey ba come say hu won ho so o ka say na no say my team so tie ne vet na my team and I'm going to meet a team. See later I mean say ade no kire leadership UPSA. Enti unya leader o ka say be enya me I no isu us team ni ade a e cho so oye solution oriented na be bo Ashanti region ye sha ye nya ni. Other appointment bam no be koso. Now to my third presentation for the day.